Who is the go-to for online educators in creating branded and aligned course content for everyone? What is up, Money Tribe? Mike Damazo here, helping you make sense of dollars. How You Money is a series of interviews for you exploring others' money journey. On this video, we interview Melody from the Course Consultant, so let's send it. We're here in social media marketing world over in San Diego, and we're joined by Melody from Course Content.
The Course Consultant.
Course Consultant.
Yeah.
I love it.
Yeah.
So first interview question is, how did you start in your financial journey?
Yeah, so I actually started with my financial journey with me being $65,000 in student loan debt after college, and I really never knew anything about budgeting, and so I actually had to learn the hard way of actually increasing my income, and now I'm actually 100% debt-free, including my mortgage.
Wow, congratulations.
Yeah, thanks.
So my next question, that's awesome. What is your number one money hack?
I would say just really focusing on spending money on the things that you really love and saving up on the things that you really can live without. Because there's some things that I really will spend money on, but there's some things that I don't really need, and it's different for each person.
Yeah, definitely knowing the difference of what's important and what's just something you want. For my next one is, who is some of the inspirations and influences in the personal finance space for you?
Well, I really love, she's actually a good friend, Danielle Desir. She is the podcast host of The Thought Card. Mm-hmm. And so she actually talks a lot about traveling frugally and just going out to solo trips as a female traveler. And so I really love all of her stuff. And I am a travel enthusiast, so yeah. I love watching all of her stuff.
Okay, I love that. With my next question, actually, what is the one thing you choose to spend extravagantly on?
Well, you probably have guessed, it's going to be travel. So I'm actually going to Machu Picchu in June, and that's actually a big celebration because I'll be graduating with my master's degree, and it will be my 6th year anniversary with my husband.
Wow, congratulations. That's
yeah,
so
thanks.
Awesome. For the next one is, what is the best advice you've ever received?
I think my best advice would be just to really focus in on your talents and do what you do best. Because I remember growing up, people actually told me, you can do anything you want, but the reality is that everyone has a different gift. And so if you think about not only for your career and your friendships and your relationships or, business, doing what you do well is important to find out before you decide to take on extra kinds of classes or pursue a different career. Just really fine-tuning like what you're really good at.
Definitely. I know you've been creating content for quite some time. From the very beginning to now, what is your favorite piece of content you've created?
Yeah, so actually I would say that it's probably my course, the Course Designer's Toolkit, that's actually going to be coming out in this upcoming spring 2020. And it's just all about how to create a course and how to monetize as an online business owner and actually monetize off of the knowledge that you already have. So that's probably my favorite, and I'm a little partial to it. So
no worries. We'll make sure to put that in the descriptions down below and the links and everything. For the closing ones, who are you interested in seeing How You Money?
I just really would love to know more about how to prioritize my finances as an online business owner, because there's always so many different things that I learn for accounting and understanding how to invest as a solo entrepreneur. So those would be things that I'd really love to learn more about.
Got you. And what are you up to? I know you have the course coming up. Is there anything else?
Yeah. So I actually would love anyone who's listening to tune into the Course Consultant Show. This podcast is featuring successful online course creators and other content creators, and many of them are in the FinCon community. And so if you are interested in ever creating a course or having some sort of digital ebook or digital product, it's a great way to learn more from other successful course creators.
That's awesome. I'll definitely have to hit you up. And where can people find you?
Yeah, so I'm most active on Instagram at The Course Consultant, and also I have free trainings and videos via Facebook Live every Friday in my Facebook group called the Inspired Courses, and I'll share the link with you so you can share it in case anyone's interested.
Definitely. Cool. Thank you so much for this opportunity.
Yeah, thanks so much.
Yeah. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to gently tap that thumbs up, Sound off in the comments below what you think. High five that subscribe. Lastly, wait a minute, make sure you wash your hands, stay legendary, and I'll see you in the next video.